Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to download songs on Spotify. To do so, first of all, go to your Spotify application. Now, to download the song, you have to add them to the playlist. Go to home page and then find the song you want to download. Find the song and then tap on three dots beside the song. After that, you can see an option that says add to playlist. Tap on it and then create a playlist. Now, give your playlist a name. Here, I'm naming it as play. Then tap on create. You can see you have created a playlist with one song. Now select some more songs and then add it to your playlist. Now go to library by tapping on your library on the bottom, and there you can see a playlist you have just created. Tap on it. Now, as I do not have a premium account, it doesn't show me the download option, but if you have a premium account, you can see something like this. On the center of three dots and love icon, you can see a download icon. Tap on it and then your song will be downloaded. That is all. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also, hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.